So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to enable edge panels and to add the tools section to the panels. To do that, all you need to do is open the settings app, and then in settings, you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, look for edge panels and tap on it, and then ensure that the edge panels are enabled. Once enabled, then just come to the panels section and then select the option tools from the panels available. Once you've done that, you can then exit the settings app. So from here, to access the built-in ruler, start by accessing the edge panels and then swipe again until you get to the tools section. By default, tools is set to compass, so all you need to do to switch to ruler is just tap on the three dots on the panel itself, and then you want to select the option ruler. Once you've selected ruler, you can then see the edge panel has switched from the compass to the ruler option. Then from here, you can see it's currently set to centimeters, but you can choose to switch it to something different like inches. So just tap on centimeters and then it will switch to inches, and then you can even calibrate it. So when you tap on calibrate, you can now adjust how many inches that you want seen on the edge panel. So you can make it more or you can make it small. It's completely up to you. Again, this is the same thing as if you've chosen centimeters. So if you're on the centimeters, you can just tap on calibrate and you can choose how many centimeters can be seen on the edge panel. Once you've finished calibrating, remember to tap on done to save and apply the changes. And so now you can start using the built-in ruler on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.